Hi guys, so today I wanna cut my hair because it's already really long, but it's raining outside, so we're leaving in a bit. Okay. Hi guys, now the rain has stopped. I'm waiting for my best friend Agung, so let's go now. Look at the view, guys.
One day I'll watch as you're leaving, 'cause you got tired of my scheming.
So this is my village. I used to rest here after school, and yeah, look, it's beautiful, right?
Must be exhausting, always rooting for the anti-hero.
Okay guys, this is my high school. Look. Yeah, my high school is there, and a lot of many experience. Yeah, I love it. Okay, let's go to Raja Panggung for cut my hair.
All its meaning for the last time. It's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me. At tea time, everybody agrees to hero.
Hi guys, I'm Alip. Today I'm coming home. While I'm at home, I wanna play with my friends while getting a haircut at my favorite barbershop. The name is Raja Barbershop at Ranca Panggung. So I used to come here often to take walks, healing, eat, and much more. Even touch the roads are bad. Yeah, very bad. But lots of memories here. I think the view of the Ranca Panggung is the best, especially if we change the background of this video using a song Kota from Derek.
Udara mana kini yang kau hirup? Hujan di mana kini yang kau peluk? Dimanapun kau kini, rindu tentangmu tak pernah pergi. Di jalan ini menguning langit, berkendara denganmu. Tajam mentari menembus pelan. I have this thing where I get older, but just never wiser. Midnights become my afternoons, when my depression works the graveyard shift. All of the people I've ghosted stand there in the room. I should not be left to my own devices.
Okay guys, now I'm at home. This is my hair after cut. Pretty good, pretty well, right? Prettier and cuter, of course. And maybe that's all my activities today. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again.